garage barbecue. It's getting kind of cold out here. That time of year. Jalapeno poppers. There's many ways to do them. I just watched the video, and I'll give a couple shout outs because the person that made the video was Donnie over at the Dude's Kitchen. So check out his channel. I'll leave a link below. Very cool channel. New channel. I like his style. He's really laid back. And speaking of shout outs, the very first person who ever subscribed to my channel, which is the Culinary Cookhouse, Mike from the Culinary Cookhouse. Definitely check out his channel if you haven't already. And one of the earlier subscribers was also Pickles BBQ. And one actually, which is really cool, this is a shout out to Titus over at YourNextCast. It has nothing to do with cooking. This guy is a family guy. He goes out on the lakes and boats, and he films himself fishing. He's like trying to become an angler, or is. I don't know the distinction yet between an angler and a fisherman. Somebody who does it for a hobby. But anyways, he's got really relaxing videos, kind of like Pickles. I was just talking about Pickles BBQ. Pickles got a really smooth, really relaxing voice. He should be doing voiceovers for something. Titus over at YourNextCast. It's all about fishing, relaxing videos. I'm not, like I said, I'm not even into fishing, and I subscribed to the channel. Just a really good channel. What I did with and check those guys out. What I did with my jalapeno poppers was based off of the Dude's Kitchen. And he made some atomic turds, I think. Atomic, I can't remember the name, but it's pretty funny. And so I made some changes. I don't like sweet, but I like that smooth cream cheese. And I wanted to take out some of the heat of the jalapeno. Now, how did I take out the heat of the jalapeno? Well, I had some ideas, and I think it's going to work. Let's follow along with me. I'm going to make some changes. This is inspired by the Dude's Kitchen, his version. So let's get going. Let's try it out. So the ingredients I'm going with is Wright's Hickory Smoked Bacon. It's excellent. A bunch of lime juice, and you'll see why shortly. Philadelphia chive and onion cream cheese. Eckrich smoked sausages. They're called Little Smokies. And of course the jalapeno. So let's get these started. As you can see, we're going to just basically cut off the end and then turn them sideways and cut them down the middle to create two halves. And then we're going to take them in the house when we get done here. And what I want to do in there is to completely not just take the seeds out, but I'm going to actually run them underwater and thoroughly rinse them to try to take away some of that heat. And I'm also going to kind of core them out with my thumb, basically my thumbnail, and lessen the inside. Take out the ribs, of course, the rib of the inside, and here you go. That's what they look like after this has been done. So the actual shell of the jalapeno is actually less thick. It's thinner, and hopefully that's going to help. So here's my idea. I've never seen this before. I just had an idea for this. So what I want to do is I want to see if I can brighten the flavor, that hot, dirty heat of the jalapeno. Make it more like a serrano pepper. Serrano pepper has a bright flavor. So let's get a baking rack and put it on top of a cookie sheet with some aluminum foil underneath it, just to catch any drippings, because there's going to be a lot. It's bacon, going to be bacon wrapped. But also a judgment call. I didn't like the Eckrich. I tasted it before I started to put these in here, and I'm going to go instead with the Hillshire Farm Cheddar Little Smokies, which tastes a lot better. Alright, I've drained the lime juice from the jalapenos, and so let's get the cream cheese in there. Chive and onion. Never done these before, so it's going to take a little bit of practice. Got a little bit too much in this one. I'll just transfer it to the next one, so forth and so on. We'll get it right? All right, let's figure out the best way to wrap these. My thinking is that if I wrap it securely and pull it kind of tight around the popper, that the bacon, when it's cooking, will constrict like we all know bacon does, and it'll pull tight and kind of hold its shape after it's cooked. So I'm not going to show the cooking of this because basically we all know how to put an oven on 350 and leave something in there for between 30 and 40 minutes. Still trying to figure the best way to wrap these. I'm going to try wrapping them starting in the middle on this next one. See if that helps. Yeah, that was better. Let's try that again. It looks like a maybe like a bow tie. Start in the middle, pull it around to kind of hold the one end in place, then wrap it like a bow tie. That's how I'll start out the next batch I do. That looks like it'll work. Let's get these in the oven. Let's hope the atomic in this recipe doesn't refer to the lava-like cream cheese that might fry off my tongue. Here we go. Let's give it a try. It came out of the oven looking really good. Scraped off some of the inside of that jalapenos and then washed them and then soaked them in lime like I said. Let's see if the heat, ow, that might be lava. I think it is lava. Wow. Great initial taste. You can taste that garlic and chive cream cheese. Right. Crunch of the jalapeno. I haven't gotten to the sausage yet. Wow, that crunch of that jalapeno is really good, but I don't get that fiery aftertaste. That dirty, kind of dirty jalapeno taste that I don't like. I got all the sausage that time. Wow, that's good. I think that did it. These are not too hot. If you know somebody that likes jalapeno or this is basically I think this is a mild jalapeno. We turn this into a mild jalapeno pepper, which is amazing. That's awesome. These are great. If you don't like sweet stuff on your meat, if you don't like sweet stuff mixed with savory, don't get me wrong, I love sweet stuff. I love dessert. I just don't like dessert mixed with my food. Which is kind of crazy because this is a barbecue channel, right? If you have somebody that likes mildly spicy stuff, or somebody who says, I like the idea behind the cream cheese of jalapenos, but I just can't stand that heat. Score out the ribs of that and take out the seeds. Wash the jalapenos, or rinse them, I should say. Soak them in lime juice. You're good to go. Same flavor profile for the jalapeno. It's just not that dirty, hot spice. So anyways, well, thanks for watching. I'm going to get in the house. It is kind of cold out here.